Hello, everyone. My name is Kim Bradley. This is my second year. I'm so excited to get it started. It's going to be a very challenging year for me because uh, I've actually never worked in social work before. What I do currently is at work with insurance, mostly property and casualty insurance. So this is a second career for me. Um, the three assets, personal assets that I think I'll bring to this class and the generalistic social work is I have a great appetite for knowledge. I love researching things and learning new things all the time. I have a great desire to help others. So if anyone out there needs help with research or writing papers, I'm good at that. And that leads me right into my third personal asset, which is having valuable writing skills. So just don't hesitate to reach out to me. I really look forward to learning from everyone and having a great semester. Thank you.